morning. Today I've drove very east, away along the east coast at North Berwick to visit Seacliff, which is a very imaginatively named beach where there's a sea and there's a cliff. Back there, that's the cliff. Anyway, we've got about 20 minutes before sunrise. You can see some of the colours starting to come up already. It's quite overcast, so might not get too much light coming in from it, but with the water and there's plenty of rocks, some lighthouses, pretty sure we'll be able to get something put together. But seeing as time's marching on, I'd quite like to get set up with some sort of composition as quick as I can, so I'll crack on with that and we'll just fire up the usual making a cup of tea in the morning montage that everybody does. So we've just swung right round the beach to where the sunrise is, and we've just got a nice composition just off the cliff, the Seacliff, just in the distance, and the sun's coming up and getting some beautiful golden light. I've had to come right down onto the rocks, as you can see, and I'm pretty sure the tide's coming in, so I've been in about 10 minutes until I'll be swimming, which I'd rather not do because I'm a pretty poor swimmer. I've got, I think it's Tantallon Castle, if I remember right, behind me as well. But just now, it is not really catching anything. It's it's behind me anyway. So we'll get some more of this sun coming up. I'm at about 40 mil. I've got about a 1.6 exposure, and I've just gotten it down to a 2.8. I'm on the 4/3, so that's what, 4 or 5 equivalent for the full frame. Just to bring some of these rocks, I don't want everything to be perfectly sharp, just that I get a wee bit of depth. And I've got a variable ND filter on that's letting me draw out that exposure time just to smooth out the waves, which I know is controversial. Some people like it, some people don't. I quite like it. If you're in doubt, capture both. That's the beauty of digital, it doesn't cost you anything. So I've got a few shots, and then once the sun comes up properly and there's some light in the castle, I'm going to swing around and get some shots of that as well. Overall, a quite good morning. Nice thing about the Seacliff area is you've got so many different options for subjects and compositions, etc. Just with the lighthouse, the castle, you've got, I'm not sure what town that is, maybe North Berwick, off in the distance. And of course there's just the lovely beach itself. So luckily enough, just made it in time to catch that sunrise, because it was a good 10-15 minutes slow getting out of bed, but it was definitely worth kicking the arse to get here. I have been playing with the new treat that I got myself, the 40 to 150 Olympus, which has been brilliant. This is the first day really properly using it, and I'm well impressed, as it should be. It's a well recommended lens, so managed to get a good few shots of Letos as well. but definitely somewhere to come. It's pretty breezy and pretty cold just now, but then we are sitting in the very early days of January. The rocks are also fantastically slippy, which made sliding out to get the compositions I wanted fun. Overall, looking to just get a lot more quick out and about videos, some quick shots, and just more practice with the photography, because you can never stop practicing, and just generally get out and about. But I think that's going to wrap this one up. As I said, definitely someone to visit. The car park's £3 that you've got to have coins in as well, and there's not a huge amount of space in it. So peak summer, I don't think you'll be squeezing in really. So make sure you're here early. Yeah, leave that there. Instagram and all that's linked down below. It's 4Pads Photography now. Don't know if I should change that back to 4Pads because I've got all the old videos and links. Nah, scrap that. I'll change it back to 4Pads. So yeah, I hope they enjoyed the video. Whoa. Hope you enjoyed the video. Oh, my arm's actually getting tired from carrying this camera with the lens on it now. So yep, photos they all go up on 4Pads on Instagram, Letos or at Dog Leto. The website that was selling the photos, I've taken that down just because I've not really got enough high-end ones that I'm happy enough with to sell on. So yeah, if you hit that wee like button, it always helps this channel huge, because just now it's minuscule. But anyway, thank you, bye bye. Now, I almost left without even remembering to visit this small harbour. It's been carved out the stone. It was by an Andrew Laidley back in 1890. It was done just using steam engine and compressed air, and this thing's just carved straight out of the rock, so it's definitely worth a wee visit. It's very interesting, very unusual, and it's only a 5-minute walk on the opposite direction of the beach from where you park the car, so make sure you head over and give it a wee check out. It also gives you a lovely view of the castle. But yep, we'll wrap the video up there now. I hope you enjoyed it. See you another time. Bye bye.